In this video, I'm going to show you one of the ways you can handle missing value in Python while doing your data analysis. One of the methods I'm going to look at, we're going to look at using the NA value. So first and foremost, let's import our dataset into Python as Pandas. So import Pandas as PD. Now we're going to use a pd.read because my dataset, my file is a CSV file. So I'm going to use the read CSV file, and I'm going to give it a name of my staff.txt. Okay, then I'm going to use it as a data file equals to data file. Okay, now when this line of code gives us a data set. Now you can see I have NA value, I have not available, I have null value. So now I want a situation whereby when I have this NA value, Python is going to replace it with null value, that is a missing value, missing value. Missing value, missing value, missing value. I want Python to replace it with that value. So what I'm going to do, I'll just copy this line of code, and drop there. This way, then I'm going to use NA underscore values, okay, equals to now. So where I see that not available, I'm going to use that not available. Okay, I use a comma. Then here I'm going to use the n dot a dot. Okay, then I run this line of code, and let's see. Now you can see where I have Python gives me that. So where I have the not available, I have the NA. Python gives me NAN, and where I have the NA, Python gives me that. But where I have not available, Python didn't change that particular cell. That particular cell. So let me see, not available. Okay, let's see that maybe probably is that case sensitive. Okay, now Python changes that to not available. So this is one of the ways to handle missing value in Python using the NA value. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Instagram channel, and my TikTok channel.